Make Women Want You is a brand new product that does exactly what it says on the box. Watch the free webinar on their sales page to find out the scientific formula that flips a woman's involuntary attraction switch. This three-step system causes a powerful chemical reaction to create consistent, predictable, and intense attraction. The end result? Getting laid becomes as simple as flipping a switch. You'll also hear a strange and somewhat embarrassing story about my shameful failure before I stumbled on this formula. Plus, 5 things you can do right now to install attraction into the woman of your choice. If you think pickup artists are weirdly dressed creeps, if NLP mind control techniques make you feel icky, watch this presentation to harness a timeless scientific formula that works every time. If you've ever struggled with dating and getting hot women to want you, then this product is ideal for you. What's great about this product is that it doesn't matter if you're geeky, nerdy, or fat. You can still get hot women to be desperate to go out with you, and you can even get them into your bed with little to no trouble at all if you follow the steps laid out in the Make Women Want You program. Even if you lack social skills, you can use this system to finally get hot women in your bed. They will literally crave you and be desperate to go out with you. If this sounds like something you want, then you should go and check out the free presentation and get a taster of what it would be like to have women desperate to sleep with you. For just $47, you can get your hands on the entire Make Women Want You system and finally learn the secrets to attracting women. If you want women to like you and go out with you and need some help, then this system is ideal for you. When you purchase today, you will get instant access to the program and 4 bonuses at 85% off the normal price. You'll also receive a free 14-day trial to the Masters of Dating Inner Circle, valued at $59.97 per month for 6 months. If for any reason you are not satisfied in the next 60 days, you can even get an instant refund and keep the materials. It's really a no-brainer. If you are struggling to attract women and want to learn the secrets from an expert, then the Make Women Want You system is the ideal option for you today. Learning the secrets and how to implement your new skills in dating is just the beginning, and we really like this product because it's so easy to follow and will have women desperate to go out with you no matter what you look like and no matter what your bank balance is. Learn from the experts and finally get women to want you by purchasing Make Women Want You today.